Good morning, students. Students, this is your Collins English Grammar and Composition book, which is English 1 book. And today we are going to start first lesson of your English 1 book, and the name of the lesson is Words and Sentences. In this lesson, you will learn about words and sentences. Children, in your previous classes, you all have studied that there are 26 letters in English alphabet. These letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All these are letters. So children, how many letters are there in English alphabet? There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now children, when these group of letters are arranged in a correct order, they makes up a word. When the group of letters are arranged in the correct order, they give a meaningful word. For example, boy, girl, book, pencil, mother, father, brother, sister. All these are words, and these words are made up of letters. Okay? Now children, in your grammar book, in your English grammar book, on page number 13, one activity is given there. We will do the activity. See the activity. Help Minnie unjumble the words, then match the words with the pictures. Now children, you all can see that two columns are given here. In column 1, in column A, 5 words are given, and in column B, 5 pictures are given. Now children, look at the words. Children, you all can see that these words are wrong. These words have no meaning. Why? Because letters are not arranged in a correct order. So what we will do? First we will arrange the letters in a correct order to make a meaningful word. And after that we will match the words with the pictures. Okay? Look at the first word, Keydon. Children, which word it is? Keydon. This word is wrong. This word is wrong as the letters are not arranged in a correct order. So first we'll arrange the letters. If we arrange the letters, we'll get the word donkey. The correct word would be donkey. Donkey, donkey. Now we will match this first word with the picture B. Okay. Now look at the second word, docort. If we arrange the letters in a correct order, we'll get the word doctor. Doctor, doctor. Now we'll match the second word with the picture E. Okay. Now look at the third word, esro. This word is wrong. So what we'll do, we will arrange the letters in a correct order to make a meaningful word. If we will arrange the letters, we'll get the word rose. Rose, rose. Now we will match this third word with the picture A. Okay. Now look at the fourth word, bitra. If we arrange these letters in a correct order, we'll get the word rabbit. The correct word would be rabbit. The spelling of rabbit is rabbit, rabbit. Now we will match this word, match this fourth word with the picture C. Okay. Now look at the fifth word, colathoc. If we arrange the letters, we'll get the correct word chocolate. The spelling of chocolate is chocolate, chocolate. Now we'll match this fifth word with the picture D. Okay. Now children, we have finished this activity. I hope you all have understood what are words. Okay. Now we'll move to sentences. Just now you all studied about words. Now we'll learn about sentences. So what are sentences? When we arrange the group of words in the correct order, we makes up a sentence. When we arrange the group of words in a correct order, we get a meaningful sentence. So, a sentence is a group of words that is complete in itself and makes sense. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words which makes sense. Okay. Now children, on page number 13 in blue box, you can see some group of words are given. Let's read them. Is rabbit this a? Today very hot is it? Swimming you do know. Children, what do they mean? They mean nothing. These group of words do not make any sense. Why? Because these group of words are not arranged in a correct order. So these sentences are wrong. Now we will read these group of words again after arranging the words in a correct order. Okay? Let's arrange the words in a correct order, and then we will read the sentence again. Let's read. This is a rabbit. It is very hot today. Do you know swimming? Now can you understand what they mean? Yes, now we all can understand well that this is a rabbit. Okay, it is very hot today. These two sentences are telling us something. Okay, and these sentences have some meaning. They make sense. So what is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that is complete in itself and makes sense. Now children, remember one thing. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now look at the first sentence. This is a rabbit. The first letter of the sentence, T, is capital and there is a small dot at the end of the sentence. That small dot is a full stop. So a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay? A sentence tells us something. It gives us information and it ends with a full stop. Okay. But children, there are some sentences which ask something. There are some sentences that ask something and are called question. And they ends with a question mark. A sentence which asks something is called question. Okay. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? What is your favorite game? How many fingers do you have? All these are questions. All these are questions because they are asking something. Okay. All these are questions and all the questions ends with a question mark. Understood? Now children, in this chapter you all learned about words, sentences and question. I hope you have understood well. Thank you.